Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Carlos, and today I'll be editing Mungai, one of the Kenyan big celebrity in YouTube. She's a YouTuber, she's an interview, she's a journalist. So today I'll be editing Mungai by adding her some weight. I want to add Mungai some weight on her on this picture. So being a photographer, you need to do more things. So on this picture, I'll control J to have a good picture first. Control J to duplicate the picture. Okay, I know people, you're not seeing this part because of you. I don't know why it doesn't show the layers. Okay, let me now return the layers. It doesn't show, I don't know. Not really. Close job. So I'll bring layers. So that is the layers, and that is the channel. So the first layer I'll convert to smart object, then I'll go to my filter, then I come to liquidify. Whoa. So this is Mungai. As you can see, she's a slim girl, petite. Okay, I'll go to my forward wrap tool, then I'll start pushing slowly. Yeah, I want to give her some good hips there. So this is how to edit someone's picture, how to add some weight on them. On Photoshop. So you must make sure they look alike. Yeah, you make sure they look real. You don't just add the weight like that. You must make sure they look real. So even I'll add some weight on the body, little weight on the body. Make sure I add some good weight on the body. Yeah, that is it. Okay, that is Mungai before, after, before and after. Do you love it? Please subscribe on my channel. Before and after, before and after. You see the difference? So that is how it works.